and this is the coaching center situated in Coimbatore for military schools and army training also, like SSBs, Sainik school entries, RIMC, RMS, and NDA coachings also available here. So good morning all. As we are aware of that, Sainik school entrance exam is on 9th of this month. So it's quite nearer. 3 days more to go for that. So are you guys ready for facing the Sainik school exam?
Yes, sir.
I hope you guys are prepared well. So I hope you guys downloaded the admit card yesterday night. Do you guys know where is your center?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where you guys are having your exam?
Navabharat National. In Annam.
Navabharat National School, Annur. For you guys?
National Model School.
National Model School, Pilamedu. Okay. So this is your hall ticket. So you got the roll number here. So when you get inside the exam hall, like you have to report around 1:10 p.m. Within 1:10 p.m. you should be there in the exam hall, like exam center. So the closing time will be 1:30 p.m. So after that, no one will be permitted inside the school. Okay, so you should be reaching within 1:10. For safer side. So 2 o'clock exam starts till 4:30. You should not come out. So after completion of 4:30, you can come out. Now the roll number is 410302047. It is of Mitrans. Okay, so when you get the OMR sheet like this, you write your name here and shade your each and every letter. Like you have to shade your letter. If Mitran means M, you have to shade, I you have to shade, T you have to shade. Same way here roll number is written. So you have to write the roll number. Same way you have to shade. Like 41030 means 41030. You have to shade the particular number. Then question paper will be issued. It might be of set A, B, C, D. Which set question paper you are getting, you have to shade it down. Okay. Then I guess you guys doesn't have a separate question paper for every subject. So this is a model OMR. So here subject is mentioned, but you don't need to mention the subject. After that, there are 4 options. Like for each question, 4 options will be given. You have to shade which option is correct to that particular question only. If you are wrong, the question is wrong only. So if you want to try, if you want to change the answer to the same question, means it is also wrong. So if you marked wrong, leave it, because the question is the answer itself wrong for you. If you don't need to try to change it, because this is computer based test. Like this paper will be going into the printing machine and everything will be scanned. So in particular question, if you are mentioning A, but it's the wrong answer. If you wanted to change to D, means if you are changing to D, computer automatically takes it's a wrong answer only. So don't try to do that. Make clear-cut idea and remember once, like you have to choose the correct answer. Like you have to be pakka sure for that. If you are sure for that, go for it. Or else leave the question and go for other questions. Then you come to the at last you come to the same question where you can, okay, we can make it like that. And luckily you don't have any negative marking. So if you don't know the question, or if you don't know the answer, you just mark any answer. It might be correct also. So try to do that. Okay, don't leave any questions. Just mark everything. Okay. All the best, cadets.
Thank you, sir.
All the best for your examination.
Thank you.
All the best for your future too. Thank you.
You had given us explanation as to how to fill up the particular OMR sheet. Now he is going to give a demonstration of filling up the OMR sheet. Mitran will be coming and sitting here in front of him, how to mark it. Our instructor will be telling, please watch carefully.
Mitran, come here. Come here. Okay, use ballpoint pen only. Don't use ink pen or gel pen or pencil. Use ballpoint pen only. Okay.
No, show, don't use pencil.
Okay.
Ball pen, put it. Then now you tell them.
Okay. Now we got the roll number. Your name is here. So this is a practical OMR, not the exact OMR we have in the examination center. So here what it is written, student name in block letters. So you have to mention in block letters only, like M in capital letter, everything in capital letter. And here you have to mention roll number. So here almost 10 digits are there, but this is a practical OMR sheet, so we don't have 10 digits. Whatever these digits are acceptable here, just mention that one. Go for it. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Yes. See here, you have to fill the whole circle, not the particular dot. Okay, fill the whole circle. See, you have to fill the whole circle, not like you can keep the dot or not, like that. So you have to fill the whole circle, means circle you have to shade it down. If you keep dot for a particular answer, means it won't be acceptable.
Give all of them one and OMR sheet, send them to the class.
Yes, sir.
After the book.
Okay.
After any doubt, have got no doubt, let them practice to the class.
Okay. Shade it properly. Roll number is 410 Okay. Shade this properly. This one, this one. Okay, cadets. When if you have initials for your name, just mention your name first in block letters. Then your initial will be mentioned after one particular box left. Like you have to leave a particular box and then you have to mention your initials. Okay. So no dots should be kept in between. Okay. Okay. I'm going to issue you all the OMR, and now you have to fill your name, same roll number, and you have to shade it down.
If you don't know roll number, don't worry about it. You can download. I suggest whatever.